Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm doing my St. Patty's week spread, and I have a really pretty kit from Jessica Hart's. It's called Irish Queen. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the photography in this. I am gonna have to cut some of these, trim them a little bit, but that's totally okay. I can make it work. So here are my full boxes here. This is the mini kit. I didn't add anything on. Beautiful date covers, weekend banner. I don't know if I'll be able to use that, but I'll try. And then for the bottom washi, I obviously can't use that with this Planning Roses planner, but I'm thinking I might cut this in half and just do it that way. And then we've got some functional things on this page. I don't think I'm going to use a cleaning list this week because I'm going to kind of spread my cleaning out throughout the week and just do some spring cleaning and things. So that's on the table here. Let's look at my weekly actions for this week. Okay, so it's actually going to be a busier week, like by design by me, just because I feel like I should use the time and I'm feeling pretty good. So I want to do 2 self-care nights, and I do want to read. I want to film 4 videos. I want to get a pedicure. I haven't gotten a pedicure in a year, and I really just want to kind of treat myself to that. Unplug from work completely, some family time, and send out some St. Patty's cards. Health and wellness. Okay, so the only thing that I added this week was this stay on regular sleep schedule. Now, since it is spring break for me, I could sleep in quite a bit and stay up late, which is like my natural tendency, but I'm going to stay on a regular sleep schedule if I can. I'm going to do 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning each week, whether it's watching a video, scrolling through some Instagram hashtags, or reading my books. And then a daily stoic still. I have a new budget because it is payday on Monday, and a low spend, and then I want to work on my spring tier tray, and I want to clean. I put 1 room each day, but I really am going to have to kind of squish things a little bit because I'm going to be going out of town this weekend and I need to dust, which hopefully will get done finally, but we'll see. My motivation to dust is very low. Okay, so I pulled my green dot marker. And this is the pack that I use is linked in the description if you want to check that out. But this is so pretty. I'm so excited to use it. I'm going to be doing a lot of planning up front. And then when I get home on Sunday, I'll just wrap it up. So let's get started. So to start, we're going to set up the little habit tracker and checklist section. And for this week, I just decided to use one of the strips of the bottom washi, and that turned out really well because I could just split it in half and just use it as is, and it looks kind of cool because it's like a continuation of this really beautiful picture of the lake. So I really like that a lot. And then I just used my green dot marker to fill in the dots over there. And then on the other side, I'm just putting in the sidebar stuff. So I put in my script sticker from Planning Roses that matches the planner. And then I put in this Irish Queen picture, and I just love her red hair. It's so pretty, and the colors in this kit are just so gorgeous. You will see me try to bring in some rainbow, and then I quickly backtracked and decided to nix that all together, but I do really like how the spread turned out with just the green and the orange. Now, as usual, it seems here, I'm struggling with my sidebar section. I don't know what my problem is, but I always have like an inch to inch and a half of extra space, and I just have been struggling every week about what to do with the extra space. And this week, I thought I was just going to fill it in with some deco and things, but it just didn't work how I wanted it to. So you're going to see me kind of switch this up over and over again. So right now I knew I wanted to use one of the Fox and Pip holiday stickers. And so I pulled the St. Patty's one for a little bit later. And then I also went to my Crafty Banana kit that I had just gotten in the mail like this day. and I pulled some elements from that. So you'll see kind of another kit coming in. Here is my Rose Colored Days St. Patty's sticker as well. So I'm going to put that on Wednesday when we get there. But I was just like in a tizzy struggling with, here's where I pull in the Crafty Banana kit because I just couldn't think of anything else. And I knew this kit had some deco and some boxes that I could pull from. So I'm just going to use some things from this kit. Here's where I pulled in, the rainbow was like too much for this spread. And I realized that pretty quickly. So I don't know if you see me writing in the quote, but I decided to put a quote over here in the sidebar that says, "Luck is where opportunity meets preparation." And I just really liked that. But I think that worked really well. And then for my highlight box, I'm just highlighting spring break, which was really, really nice. I got a lot of things done cleaning wise, you know, getting that spring cleaning done. And then I spent the weekend with my family. So it was a slow week at first and then just crazy busy at the end, but so worth it. Here you can see me putting in my date covers. I'm doing my now kind of normal layout with Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over on the right side, keeping the weekend all together. I'm really loving that, and I'm going to continue doing that for forever probably. And then I'm just writing in a couple of to-dos. I will come back and add some more later. And then for habits this week, I decided to track 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning. And then that can include YouTube videos, Instagram posts, stories, YouTube videos. Did I already say that? Anyway, just whatever. Reading, which I didn't do any reading this week, but and then also doing my PT exercises and regular sleep. You'll see at the end how well each of those went. And then I'm just cutting down my full boxes here and placing them throughout the week. And I knew that I could do 2 on the right side, and then on the left side, I decided to just do a couple, and then I'm just gonna play around with the spacing here. And so I wanted to use the horse box, but there just wasn't enough room for it. So I am gonna pull that up a couple of times, but I did like it. And I decided to cut down the clover box just to use as washi. I'm really liking adding that little touch to the habit tracker section too. I think that looks cute. For my videos this week, I just pulled some deco from that Crafty Banana kit and just used some little clovers to mark in my plan with me on Monday, leftovers, organization on Wednesday, and then a memory plan with me on Friday. So on Monday, I wanted to mark that this was payday and I was wanting to start a new budget spreadsheet. I use the same Google Sheet. I just add a tab to it so I can keep everything in one spot. But I just like to do that on payday, you know, move stuff to savings, pay off things, all that. So it's just kind of something I like to set aside time for. And then the second thing on Monday was I need to get some groceries because I kind of put that off until this week because I know it was spring break and I'd have plenty of time. And then I just did some quick meal prep for my lunches for that week or this week. And then I also wanted to mark in each day, like what I would be cleaning. So Monday, I wanted to clean my kitchen after I meal prepped. And so I just did kind of a deep clean of my countertops and just kind of everything in the kitchen and wiping down the fridge and all of that. It felt really good to do like 1 or 2 rooms a day. And that worked really well. So I think I would definitely do that again, maybe in the summertime. So here's where I'm moving that horse box just to give myself a little bit more room because I also wanted to mark here on Monday that I had a Zoom chat with Liz from the Crafty Inked Girl, and we just have really, really good conversations. And so we FaceTimed this evening for like 2 hours and we just talked about all sorts of stuff. And she's just a really, really good planner friend for me, and I just really enjoyed our chat that night. And then I also wanted to mark in for my physical therapy this week. I wanted to kind of keep it uniform. So I'm just looking for some of the kind of stethoscope stickers, and I found an orange one and a green one. So that's what I'm going to do for those appointments. So I had physical therapy on Tuesday and Friday morning. So here is the Tuesday one. And then this one is for Thursday, and I will just put that, or Friday. I'll put that right on the top of Friday. And then I wanted to put in just like an editing sesh. So I just used the scissors from the kit. And then here's where I'm trying to fit in more of the boxes. It's just not working. I had to nix the horse all together because I just didn't have enough room for like my workouts and stuff. And so I decided to just put in some of the cut down clover box, which I really like. It looks really pretty. And I was able to use a few strips of this along with some of the washi strips in the same pattern. So I put that in, and then the edit box, and then just to mark in the rooms that I was going to work on this day, I put in one of these with the glitter on it, little glitter flags. And so this day I worked on my spring tiered tray. I was going to buy some new things, but I decided just to use what I had, and I really like how it turned out. And then my bedroom as well. And then I'm going to put in a box for my workout for this day. I am using quarter boxes more than I used to. Half boxes just take up a lot of space. And so quarter boxes are coming in clutch for me, which is nice. And then on Wednesday, I wanted to mark in getting a pedicure, and I wanted to mark in St. Patrick's Day, which I ended up getting the pedicure on Tuesday, but that's fine. I got it a day early because we had a blizzard on Wednesday. Go figure. So I just moved it up a day because I didn't want to have to deal with the weather. We had like whiteout conditions, and then it was like already melting by the afternoon. It was crazy. But yeah, so on Wednesday, this was St. Patrick's Day. So I'm going to pull the St. Patrick's Day sticker and the Fox and Pip sticker. And I'm just going to cut off just the little tail on the Y, just because it was laying kind of weird on her. I couldn't really figure out a really good way to mark that, but I got it figured out. It looks fine. And then I just used some little flip-flops from Crafty Banana to mark in my pedicure. I think that looks really cute. I'm going to add a heart later, but it kind of looks better that way, but I changed it. Oh well. And then that half box is for my workout for that day, which ended up being work. I am back on my work subscription and really enjoying those workouts. It's something I can do right now that's like challenging, but like not too hard on my arms. So it's been good. I'm really enjoying it, and it just kind of lifts my spirits, gets me in a good, happy mood. And then on Thursday here, I'm marking in just a checklist of things that I wanted to get done cleaning wise. And I did the same thing on Wednesday that I did on Tuesday with the activities or the rooms that I was going to work on those days. And then meal planning on Thursday for the next week. Got that done, got my grocery list ready so that I could just run to the grocery store when I got back into town on Sunday. And then for Thursday here, I decided just to leave that space and just mark packing on Thursday evening. And then here on Friday, no, this is on, on Friday. I used one of the little things to mark driving to Abilene, which is where my grandparents live, where my family was kind of meeting up. And then I just kind of left this space pretty open because I didn't know what we were going to be doing. I knew we were going to be sticking around the house, but I didn't know much. And then I did the same thing on Sunday to mark that. And then I just pulled a little grocery sticker to mark in a quick grocery run. And then for meal prepping, I'm just going to pull a little bit of washi, like the orange washi, with this rainbow cupcake from the Crafty Banana. I thought that was cute. It's a little bit of rainbow, but it's not like crazy overwhelming. And then the rest of it's just pretty much open. So here's where I'm going to go through and just fix this. I just wanted to add the little heart. I thought it looked cute, but then I had to split the word. and it looks weird. But anyway, I just left it as is. And then I'm going to check past spreads and my weekly action list for anything that I need to add to the checklists or anything like that. So I pull my habits directly from there, and then I'm just adding some to-dos. All right, here is the end of the week, and I'm back home, and I just unpacked, and I got my meal prep done. I got all this stuff done, so all I need to do is wash my hair tonight and get ready to go back to work tomorrow, which is, I hate like going right back to work. I like to have a little buffer day, but this weekend was just so good to be with family and be with my nephews, and it was just a really, really good family weekend. And my sister and brother-in-law asked me to be my nephew's godmother, and that's just a special, you know, cherry on top of the whole auntie life. But I'm just really like, I'm feeling like my soul and my heart are full, and yeah, it was just really good. So let me show you what I have left in the kit. So I used quite a bit of it, but I still have some things that I probably could have used in there, but that's okay. This is so pretty. I love the touches of the clovers, and it's just so pretty. I love how this turned out. It's gorgeous. It's just super fun and pretty. I don't know that I showed you my weekly actions for this week, but here they are at the end. So successful in some areas, and some were just like, I couldn't even. But this was okay, but I need to be more consistent with that. I'm going to do that next week as well. Sleep was crap. We're just going to have to start over next week when I actually have a regular schedule and it's not daylight savings time and all that. Reading, didn't do any reading at all, I don't think. It was just pathetic, but I got in lots of good family time. I didn't send out St. Patty's cards since I actually saw my family, well, my nephews and my sister, like, in person. I thought it was okay to skip that. Cleaning was really good. Got tons of stuff done in the house, and that felt really good. And I had lots of time to, like, take breaks, which was amazing. Financial's good, and health and wellness, just, it's a mixed bag over there, but I can do better in that area for sure. So here's this week. It's turned out so cute, and I really like this a lot, and it's kind of a fun color scheme. I haven't done like kind of a just like color duo in a while, so it's nice to kind of mix it up a little bit. But I thought this turned out super cute, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!